This PEMDAS question looks easy, but it's tricky. Can you solve it? If yes, comment your answer below. And if you're stuck, watch till the end. I'll show you how to solve PEMDAS problems step by step. All right. Now let me walk you through a step-by-step how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. All right. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one division. Now, we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, the multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then multiplication.